Hey guys, it's Tom here with Velocity Restorations in the showroom. Really excited to walk you around this absolutely fantastic War Bonnet. You heard that correctly, War Bonnet K5 Blazer. It's a gorgeous truck, signature series, built by us, ready to go home in stock. Paint is called War Bonnet. It's a really nice metallic yellow. This grille, really iconic front end for a K5 hood, obviously. There are different types of hood on these K5s and on the other Chevrolets, but we keep it really classic with this K5 setup. Same with the grille, chrome grille all the way through. And of course, it wouldn't be a K5, wouldn't be a Chevy without the blue bow tie. So that's there. Underneath that, you've got a chrome bumper, you've got your reflector lights, and then actually for your headlights, you've got JW speaker LEDs. So these are brand new LED headlights like on all of our vehicles. Come around the side of the truck, and you'll notice that that kind of two-tone continues all the way down. So it's an ice white underneath that War Bonnet Yellow, ice white for the secondary color underneath the trim. And that trim is over the wheel arch, what we call lower trim. So it goes all the way from the front, round, up over the wheel arches, across, not in the middle, but kind of 2/3 down the truck. Then you've got the white detailing below it. And that that middle trim is in chrome. So really, really nice. As is your side mirrors, OEM style side mirror, OEM style door handles. For wheels on this truck, it is a signature series K5, so it's going to have those chrome bullet hole wheels. The tailgate is really classic looking. There isn't too much chrome back here other than that large chrome bumper, but no extra trim around here. We kept it super neat, super tidy. You do have the Velocity build badge. You've got LED lights. Dropping the tailgate down and you're going to see just how much more space there is back here. Backside of the tailgate's been Raptor coated, so really easy to get things in and out of. You don't have to worry about scratching anything. Super usable, these trucks, so you can load everything back into your tailgate, into your load area. And this load area is much larger than it would be on a Bronco. I know it's deceptive because obviously the seat's there, but you've got a lot more space at the back of these K5s. We've got a carpet and a carpet on top. So double carpet, you've got a carpet mat and then underneath that carpet again. We've done something really simple on this one, really original, just really classic. It's a black leather to go with a black top and to go with that War Bonnet Yellow. Really, really nice. This vehicle, being a K5, it has a full Roadster Shop falling coilover chassis underneath it. What does that mean? Well, it means it drives a little bit differently to the other vehicles that we do. Falling gives you way more cushioning. It is a really nice drive. These K5s have been designed by us basically to be daily driving vehicles. So full Roadster Shop chassis underneath the truck, falling coilovers, really nice with the extra wheelbase length, just very, very comfortable to drive. For drivetrain, we've got LT1. So it is a Chevy, got a GM Chevy engine, LT1. It's a V8, it produces about 460 horsepower, lots of torque at the bottom end. Again, this is a larger vehicle, it's heavier than the Bronco, so we want extra torque at that bottom end. And then behind that is the 10L80, so the 10-speed automatic from Chevrolet. Really nice gearbox to drive, very quick shifting, really, really good setup. Another thing that I want to point out is the disc brakes. So you've got full Willwood hydro boosted disc brakes in this vehicle all the way around. This K5 is no exception, so lots of stopping power to go with all of your engine power for when you're going fast. For somebody that loves classic GM products, classic Chevrolet products, this K5 is absolutely perfect. It's available to go home immediately. It is in the showroom. It's brand new, delivery mileage. Comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, of course, as well.